Family trips to Asheville can get expensive fast. The parking, attractions, food, it all adds up before lunch. But here's the good news. Some of the best things to do around Asheville are completely free and perfect for kids, beginners, and the family dog. Today, we're hitting two easy to moderate hikes that anyone can enjoy: Falls and Catawba Falls. Both are free and family friendly. I'll show you exactly what to expect so you can pick the perfect one for your day outdoors. Let's start with Falls. It's one of the most impressive and most accessible hikes in western North Carolina. And if it looks familiar, it's because it was used in the movie The Hunger Games and also in The Last of the Mohicans. And yes, it's completely free. It'll cost you $0. Falls is great for families because you can see a waterfall with just a 1 mile round trip hike. The trail is wide, safe, has one short steep push, but once you reach the top, the view is absolutely worth it. If you want something easy but still dramatic, Falls nails it. Parking is free, but it fills up fast. So pro tip, arrive before 10 a.m. for the best experience. And yes, there are bathrooms on the trailhead. Huge win if you're traveling with kids. Difficult rating for me, it's easy to moderate. Short distance and just one quick climb. Next is Catawba Falls. If you have kids who love to explore, this one is a hit. The renovations have completely transformed this trail. Now you get safe boardwalks, fun bridges, little stream crossings, and a wide trail that most kids can do easily. It's about a 2.2 round trip hike, but it feels much shorter than that because the terrain changes constantly and keeps everyone engaged. Parking, free. Bathrooms are brand new, which every parent knows is a big win. When you reach the lower falls, take your time. This is the family zone. It's shaded, plenty of room to sit. It's perfect for breaks, snacks, and of course, family photos. There is an upper falls route, but it's steep and not recommended for families, so stick to the lower falls for a relaxing, free day outside. So which hike should your family choose? Pick Falls if you want a big waterfall payoff, a short hike and movie-style scenery. Pick Catawba Falls if you want easy kid-friendly terrain, bridges and boardwalks and fun interactive adventures. Both are free, both are beautiful, and both are family-friendly. If you want more easy, affordable adventures, subscribe and come join me. Travel more, spend less, make memories. See you on the next adventure.